Hey guys!
So this is our first YouTube channel, and for you guys to know about us, we will be doing
the Strip Down Challenge!
Let's get into the video. So, it's the stupid ring, y'all. So, we are going to, if you don't know the Strip Down Challenge is basically a whole YouTube video or a whole video just talking and talking and talking and talking and talking about yourself. So that's what we're going to do today. Shut up. That's what we're going to do today. Hot damn, my buddy butter. Okay. I don't know what to say, so you start.
So, my name is Rashad, of course, and my favorite color is red. I love to eat pizza. I like to play instruments. Well, yeah, favorite instrument. I like to play clarinet, even though my school makes me play bassoon, but let's not talk about that. But anyways, what else to say?
My name is Adriana. I am bossy, I am funny, I am goofy. You might just love me. I'll probably be the most liked in this YouTube video. And in this YouTube channel, basically.
Ow!
My favorite color is pink purple. I have a lot of favorite colors, so let's not get into that. I like to dance. I step. Fun fact. I started stepping in the summer at 5th grade. I sing even though I can't.
I can sing, yeah!
No, you can't.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I will get there one day, watch.
But we hope to make this YouTube channel famous. Like, we hope to become famous from out this YouTube channel. And we hope to become famous and, like, really become famous. But if I don't become famous, which I know I will, hopefully, I want to become a doctor because I want to cure cancer.
I want to become an actor because I love to act.
I act better than you.
No,
yes,
honey,
I do.
no.
I tricked you so many times.
But anyways, a fun fact about me is that I like to cook. I eat what I cook. Like one day I cooked cookies. This little person over here, she ate like all 12 cookies. Like, yeah, that's a fun fact.
Bruh.
I cooked too. I just got finished cooking, but I burnt the toast. Stop making faces. Here's evidence. I burnt the toast.
Oh my God, she burnt the toast. Like, it was black. She had to scrape the black off.
Oh, for Life, if y'all ever watch Life, Mom was like, y'all scrape it. I put eggs, bacon, and toast, and I burnt it.
Look at that. Look at that.
I burnt it. Yes.
Never trust her to cook for me.
And you saying how like I had to like scrape it? Yeah, it still didn't work. But I can cook, but I just can't cook certain things.
Yeah.
I can cook pizza. Oh yeah, you guys! I know we never gave you a room tour, so we should do that. Okay. So. We are going to give you a room tour. Okay. So, I love Mickey Mouse personally. This is really my room, but I let him sleep in here. I love Mickey Mouse, so I put Mickey Mouse stickers around here. Because I love Mickey Mouse. And here is a relationship goals. Relationship duck goals.
Crack, crack.
Here's brother and brother goals.
The dog.
Both of them are dogs.
That's Goofy and the dog.
I don't want you looking in my closet right now.
It's kind of
messy.
messy.
We have to clean that up. Oh. And here is my refrigerator. I have my little piece rolls combination. I have an ice tray. This is all in the freezer. And in here, I have my Arizona tea. And that's pretty much it. Oh, here's our TV.
It's small, but yeah.
We are going to get some money off of these YouTube channels. So, yeah. And this is the light we are using. And here's the mirror.
Yes.
And I decorated it with like my little bandanas. This is what we're using right now to have.
He's got old butt. We will.
And this, I go to Kelly Miller. And if y'all don't like Kelly Miller, you can still follow. I go to Kelly Miller, and this jacket is ugly, but it keeps me warm. And that is pretty much it for right now. We're going to move sooner or later.
Yeah, sooner or later, like in...
So...
I don't know, but... Okay, I would like to do a story time. So...
No, not yet. Okay. The video is over.
Brother
and sister is
out.
Bye. Oh, I forgot. Like and subscribe right here. No, it's going to be in my hand. Right here. Bye.
I keep it real.